Hello everybody, it's me Robin from RBN Web Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a typing speed on your WordPress website through Elementor. In this video, you can see here there have a text, but they don't have any typing effect. If you see this website here, you will see a backspace and text rotating effect. So we are going to add this type of effect. So first of all, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard, and yes, we are already done. And then we are going to this through a WordPress plugin. So hover on plugins and then click on add new, and from here search for typing effect and hit the search, and then you will see here typing effect. So install now, and then simply click on activate. Make sure you have installed this plugin because this is super easy and it's have 20,000 plus active installations. So activate it, and then you will find a new option in the dashboard menu, typing effect. So now click on typing effect, and then you will see here a first sentence, second sentence. You have to put here your sentence. First, suppose we are going to add this one. First one is gift, and second one is a wonderful moment, and we are going to add one more, and that is memories. We are added 3 sentences, and then you will see here a automatically generated a shortcode. So you have to copy this shortcode and then edit with Elementor. So click on this text, and then you can see here we are going to replace a gift. So there will be 3 sentences, there will be backspace and rotating effect, and then we already copied the shortcode. Just simply paste it here and then update, and now browse the website. You will see the effect. Sorry, we didn't generated the shortcode, so click on here generate shortcode, and yes, it's generated. And now we have to copy this shortcode and then paste it here after the wonderful, and give a space, and now again update and browse the site again. You will see here now a wonderful memories. Then you will see here this is so fast, we have to make this slower. So here you can see here type speed. So we have to increase this. 1000 means 1 second. So we are going to make this 120, and then backspace is also 120. Back delay I think 500 is okay, and then we can click on again generate shortcode and copy this shortcode again, and now here paste the shortcode and update. After updating, simply reload the website. Now you will see a little bit slower. A wonderful gift. We can see here moment, and suppose time. We are going to add time. So copy again, and one thing, you have to select a loop. After one time it's not doing again, so you have to select a loop so that it works for unlimited times. You can see here there have a loop count, suppose 1000. So 1000 times this will happen, and then click on generate shortcode. You can select and start delay. You can see the you can set the amount of time to wait before typing starts. So I think 300, and then generate shortcut and copy this shortcut. Now simply paste it here. Again give a space and update. Reload the website. You will see here a wonderful gift, moment, time. A wonderful gift, moment, time. Moment is not working fine. We can set here, suppose mind, then click on generate shortcut. Copy this shortcut. Every time you have to generate a shortcut and then paste it here. Sorry, copy again and now paste it here, update and then reload the website. You'll see here a wonderful time, gift, mind. This is happening for every time. So in this way you can do this very easily. If you reload the website, then you can see here a wonderful mind, time, gift. This is happening very perfectly. So in this way you can easily add this type of typing effects through a WordPress plugin. Hope this helped you, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. Thank you.